Hi and welcome to HomeKit Authority. This channel is dedicated to everything HomeKit and it's your one-stop shop for everything you want to know in terms of Apple's smart home platform. So if you've not already subscribed, then hit the subscribe button and also the bell button. In this channel, we do in-depth coverage of all the latest news about new HomeKit accessories, the latest changes to the HomeKit platform, and any rumored products or improvements to HomeKit that will be coming out. We also do in-depth tutorials that show you how to use HomeKit, all about HomeKit hubs, and you might want to check out our HomeKit Getting Started series. If you're a new user or if you're an experienced user, you might still pick up some tips. We also do in-depth reviews of HomeKit products and services. Now, this channel is totally independent, so we'll tell you how a product really works rather than what a marketing department wants you to know. We look at all the different features, we look at how they work, set up, and all of the different things that will help you make a decision whether that's the right product for you. So don't forget, if you've not already subscribed, then hit the subscribe button, but also check out the channel. There's some great HomeKit videos to help you get started, or if you're an experienced user, you can certainly check them out and find out more information. Thanks very much, and we look forward to speaking to you in future videos.